So the question is, can you go over the tools for security in data engineering process? For example, what to keep in mind when designing secure pipelines. Secure pipelines. So first of all, when you design the whole thing, the idea is to, how's that called? Compartmentalize the whole thing. So you are not you're not making everything open. You're going to create different security zones where you put different things. When you think about this stuff, you have connect phase here, where there are APIs and other tools. Do you want to give these tools complete access to all the other resources? The same thing for visualization, or do you want to compartmentalize this? So maybe you're creating a firewall here between this, and you have a firewall between this, and so what you're going to do is you're going to create rules that these tools and these systems that are working in the connect phase, that they don't have access. So basically these here don't have access to here, and this doesn't have access to here. And so this is one of the first tools that you can use. Is simple, creating different zones, creating firewalls, and putting in a restrictor basically beneath them or between them. What you also can do is use security like Kerberos authentication between each of the tools, so that you have where's my free flow? So that let's say you're writing from an API into a message queue, then this would be secured. The communication would be encrypted, and same thing with something. If you have a Hadoop platform and you use Spark on top of that, then all this stuff is also secured. And this is basically the standard things: firewalls, SSL certificates. These are the things you should look into, and then you're already very good on top of this.